Guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you're doing fine. So in today's video, we're going to be making these two super ingredients hairspray for faster, fuller and longer hair. So in case this is the first time on my channel, you're welcome. My name is Sophia and I make hair and beauty videos. So please kindly subscribe to my channel and click on the notification bell so you get notification when I upload new videos. So guys, let's begin right away. So the first ingredients that I'm going to be using is ginger. I have this medium-sized ginger here. Ginger, when applied to your hair, it helps to stimulate blood circulation on your scalp. It also helps to stimulate hair growth. It helps to prevent dandruff, and it also helps to strengthen your hair strand. So I went ahead to wash and grate my ginger. Here I have it already grated. Ginger has amazing minerals that will help your hair grow if you add it to your natural hair regimen. So I'll be transferring this grated ginger into my jar here that I have is already clean. So I'll go ahead now and transfer the ginger into my jar. And once I'm done doing that, I'm going to be introducing the second ingredients for this hairspray, which is hibiscus flower. This is dry hibiscus flower here, and here I have about 15 grams of dried hibiscus flower. You can get this online or in a herbal store. Hibiscus is also great for natural hair growth. It all helps in hair elasticity. It helps also to stimulate growth. It keeps your hair shiny and silky. It also helps to prevent split end. So I went ahead to pour in hot water and I filled the jar till it was full. So the next thing I did was to simply use a spoon to just stir my two ingredients together, just like when you're making tea. You just stir it and cover it up, and I installed mine for about 24 hours. That's overnight. So I kept it in a cool and dry place for 24 hours. So this is my tea or my spray in water the next day. As you can see, it is well, the color has changed, which means it has absorbed nutrients and it is good to go. So I'm going to be transferring it into my spray bottle now, and from this spray bottle I'll be applying it to my hair. So now that my herbal spray water is ready, the next thing is the application process. So here I have my natural hair in a protective style. I'm not going to be taking this down. I'm just going to spray in my herbal tea water into it because it's a leave-in spray and you can leave it in your hair. This spray will keep your hair hydrated and at the same time treat your scalp and stimulate hair growth while your hair is on a protective form. Just like I'm doing, you can spray this on your hair as many times as you want during the week. You can decide to use it every day. You can decide to use it twice or 3 times a week, but the more frequent time you use it, the more results you're gonna get from it. So I'll be spraying this on my hair just like this on my scalp, and then I'll be massaging it into my hair to keep my hair hydrated and treated at the same time. So now I'm done spraying it on my hair. This is my hair. This is a very simple leave-in spray that you can use that will help your natural hair growth. Don't forget to leave a comment below of how it was when you use it. Thank you for watching this video to the end. Bye bye.